Uh, we have a project to create a to-do list. The to-do list takes a user task and add one more task and another just like so. We have to create an HTML document. So first we have to create basic structure. So specify HTML. First we have a class container. We have to know how to create a container. So we have to create a div based on the class name that name as container and h1 this is the to-do list who the title is the to-do list. So next a form tag, this means we have to take text and the input is the task when the user gives a task to the our website. uh, Submit the task is added to the on that the user text data. So we have to creating the CSS of the structure. So this is the structure of the first we have to creating a body Arial of Sanskrit. Whenever Arial page, then Sanskrit will be loaded. Next container. How much width and padding, border, radius. It is responsible on the container because we have to creating a space on the container for on our web page of user talks. Next, it's the title of the I mean heading of the our website. That heading is text and release center and it will be bold and form size margin. Every element takes a margin bottom because space taking a space between each other. We have to specify margin bottom or top, but top is heavy, so we have to specify bottom. Then input type equal when text it the width percent 70% and padding the gap will be 8 by 8 pixels and button and button padding and uh, upper down will be 16 and right and left will be 8 and button hover the hover when the button will be points on the cursor points on the button that will be changes to the green or any we specify but and tasks flex the align items are center every item between some consistent space that the space will be taken as space between and padding every padding which means cap on inner side and bottom border bottom means it scales the solid pixel each color on the borderline of the task and task button red color. The script we have to specify the script like taking an document add event listener it leaves whenever document is loaded the function invokes just like the web page is loaded on the web browser. The document add event listener will be invokes and invokes the function also. First tasks form DOM element document get element by ID it will be to do form and to do input to do list where the list and we have to include the data in the local storage. So we have takes the local storage parameters like get item. So it takes from local storage to the our website. Next display function. It display the every user tags on the web page when the user clicks submit just like and it will be whenever called firstly initialized uh, when the task form add a new task it means when a button will be add task so the add task is waiting for the clicking whenever the user submit that even prevent default waits for the prevent the default loading of the form so and takes the input and data from the user. The overall data is pushed to the tasks and whether it will be stored also in local storage. Then the function is set item, and display function will be called because we have to display data, and task input will be uh, becomes no string. Okay, delete the task. It whether the user clicks on the delete, then the task will perform clicking the delete button. It will be deleted from the our user tasks. It will be completely removed from set and on local storage and our web browser also. And edit task, whether the uh, user will edit the task or something, then the edit task will be invokes, task list will be clicking invokes, and it will be targets the task, and when the user is changing or creating into empty, so that's the, and it will be updated also in log storage. That's, it will be also display function will be invoked. So let's check the output of the function. Yeah, it will be appear. So taking a task like I have I have morning task like an back brushing. So add a task. So the task will be added. So another task, when to we are try to add, it will be not add. Specify the task high. I then the task will be recreated and like a one by one. So we have to edit that, we have to edit like I have no task. So we have to clicking that the task will be changed just like this. We have to delete the task, second task we have to delete, then it will be deleted from our website to local storage. That's the process of the to-do list. So